Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm really excited to be able to launch Lexmoto's brand new LXR SE. Now there's two versions of the LXR, the standard and the SE, and the differences are this. You get an alloy swing arm, different rear suspension, slightly different front end, cosmetics, slightly different as well, and you also get a colour TFT dash, all for about 300 quid more than a standard LXR125. This is the new 2023 SE. It's been very hotly anticipated, and this is the very first one to arrive. This is our launch edition, so it comes loaded up with some aftermarket accessories as well, which I'll talk you through as we go through the bike. I've done lots of videos on Lexmoto LXRs, but I thought this one deserves some additional attention just because of the changes that have been made to the bike. So starting at the front, the LXR comes with 17-inch wheels. Because it was originally based on a bigger bike, a 390, I believe it was. You get a lot of features on the LXR that you don't get on a lot of 125s, and the first of that is the twin discs. So twin wavy discs with radially mounted 4-pot calipers and upside down forks with braided lines. Really good spec for the front end of this bike, considering it's a 125. Most 125s just have the single disc. 17-inch wheels mean a wider variety of tyres. They come with a 110 front as standard, but we tend to recommend upgrading them to a 120 front when those tyres do wear. The new colour scheme is finished, as you can see, in like a matte red and matte black with some mock carbon. The carbon looks really cool. You've also got this Supermoto style stripe across the front and rear wheels, which looks really cool as well. In terms of the plastics, they're the same plastics as you would have seen on the original LXR. It does look slightly different just because of the different finishes and stuff like that, but the mock carbon looks really good. You've got LED indicators set up the top here. You've got the nice LED strip light on the front as well, which looks really nice. Around this side, you've got more mock carbon in this centre panel here. The frame is now red, so that is accented against the red and the black of the rest of the bike. And we have chosen to fit our first bike with a Lextech exhaust. So whoever buys this bike is going to get this exhaust with it. It will be added to the price, but we won't charge you for any fitting or labour, and the accessories are subsidised as well, so you'll get these bits a lot cheaper than you would do if you just bought it, had it fitted and purchased separately. At the back again, we've got this Supermoto red stripe, which looks absolutely awesome, and right at the extreme you can see we fitted this bike with a tail tidy, so it really sorts the back end out. Got nice little LED indicators on there, and a nice number plate light just there as well looking down. You can see the finish of the paint, so you've got this satin black and satin red. Looks really cool. It's a really special bike, this. Around the front you can see we've fitted the bike with a black screen as well. These are quite difficult to fit, as you'll know if you own one and have fitted one yourself. So again, a nice accessory to have without having to pay the labour to have it fitted. Around this side, very much the same. The brakes on this are a combined braking system, so 125s, or all bikes actually, have to have either ABS or a combined braking system. So effectively what that means is if you use the rear brake, it actually brakes one piston on the front end. If you're not familiar with Lexmoto's LXR range, it's powered by a single cylinder 125cc engine that produces between 12 and 13 brake horsepower. It's a nice little punchy engine, 6-speed gearbox, and despite its sporty looks, it's actually got a slightly more upright riding position than you'd expect. The seat height on these is quite high, so if you're a little bit on the shorter side like I am, you're going to be on the balls of your feet. But it's based on a proper full-size sport bike, but with a slightly more relaxed riding position. So you can see that the clip-ons are actually over the top of the yokes rather than being underneath them like they would be with a traditional sports bike. So it's really quite comfortable to ride. The bike comes with a 2-year warranty, comes with all the keys, owner's manuals, etc. First service excuse me, on a new bike is at 500 miles or 3 months, whichever comes first, and then 3,000 intervals thereafter. One of the party pieces of the SE is the TFT dash, which looks absolutely stunning. So you've got the rev counter running across the top, gear position just here, fuel and temperatures here, obviously mileage, this is a brand new bike, battery voltage, and there's your speed as well. It looks absolutely awesome. So this bike is available right now. If you're interested, like I said, all the parts on it are subsidised. It will come exactly as you see it. It's ready to go. We just need you to pick up the phone and speak to us. If you're interested in purchasing a Lexmoto of any kind, we're main dealer stockists. We're one of the biggest in the Midlands. You know, feel free to pop in and see the range. Excuse me. We've got the SEs in stock now, ready to ride. So if you're interested, please let us know. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the socials. We can offer finance, part exchange, nationwide delivery as well. Yeah, pop into the showroom, try the bike on for size, give us a call, ask us any questions that you've got. We're ready and waiting. That's it from us. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.